Good morning, traders. It is Monday, May the 13th, 2024, pre-market. Let's have a look at what's going on this week. Here's my chart of NASDAQ futures. Got some major levels drawn on here, as usual. Starting with higher time frames. We break it on down. Got Friday's high and Friday's lows marked. See if we can break above or below one of these two. This orange line here is the close on Friday. And then these are the weekly close and weekly open. You can probably see that better on a 5-minute chart or a 1-minute chart. But anyway, we are stuck in the middle between 18,300 and 18,200. I'm sure the S&P 500 probably looks similar. Let's have a look. Yes, it looks like it's between a couple of levels too, so not much different there. Tomorrow on the economic calendar, all we have is a couple of Fed speakers speaking at 9 a.m. Later in the week is when we need to pay attention to the calendar, because we have PPI on Tuesday morning pre-market, and then a couple of Fed speakers talking in the morning as well. Wednesday, we have core CPI, core retail sales, CPI month over month, CPI year over year, Interpower Manufacturing Index, retail sales, and more Fed members speaking. Should be a fun week. Thursday, unemployment claims per normal. More Fed speakers. Friday, Fed speaker. That's about it. Tomorrow, not a whole lot except for a couple of Fed speakers pre-market. It's 9 a.m. is Eastern time, so 30 minutes before market open. And let's see, economic calendar, where are you at? Here we go. Tomorrow, you don't really see anything that stands out at me. Tuesday, we have Alibaba, Home Depot, Sony, Lunar. I got some Lunar stocks, Rumble, etc. We will catch some more later. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up of what's coming up, especially today. So keep your eyes open and your head on a swivel. Sniper out. Thanks for watching.